So good afternoon. My name is Deepak Jha and I am working with NEC Corporation India as General Manager and Business Unit Head for Artificial Intelligence Platform. Today we have witnessed a partnership and collaboration with Chitkara University where we are signing a MoU for HPC and AI lab and research program together with Chitkara University, where we will be helping some of the bright students of Chitkara University who is going through AI and machine learning curriculum and courses to make them industry ready, enable them industry ready, and create a joint collaboration scheme where they can understand how the technology areas, how AI can help improvise not only in terms of their curriculum, but also how that can help them in terms of making industry ready. And also, as part of this program, NEC would be offering support to the student by mentorship, by coaching, by enabling them for the respective areas of work which we will be doing together on the research and AI collaboration, as well as also some of the campus hirings, etc., where these students will get opportunity to work along with the organizations like NEC. That's the overall intent for having this MoU, and the entire objective of this program is to enable these people to learn about NEC's architecture, which is called as Accelera Subasa, which can basically make them more operational, and they can understand better about the vector computing, how that vector computing works, how that can help them in terms of gaining better performance and accuracy for the AI ML work which they will be doing in the future, leveraging NEC platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much.